expect for NYSC. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl China Saramongo, Success Electrical. So you graduated and NYSC seems to be the next step for you to take, and you don't know what it entails, what to expect, what and what not. So in this video we are going to break everything down, from camp to all the activities going on to PPA and every single thing. So let's get right into it. The whole NYSC duration lasts for at least 1 year. So you have 3 weeks at orientation camp, and then you spend at most 11 months at PPA, that is your place of primary assignment. The orientation camp might be posted at any of the 36 states in Nigeria, including FCT, which is Abuja. You might be posted within places you know, states you know, states you have never been familiar with. You know the gist. When you reach the orientation camp, your documents are going to be checked, and then you are going to be given kits. That is your white shorts and a t-shirt, and also jungle boots and the NYSC uniform. Typical morning routine NYSC camp: you wake up around 4:30 to 5 a.m. Soldiers supervise the drills, marching, and also you get to attend SAED lecture, which is skill acquisition entrepreneurship development. There's also camp food. At the end of the day, you have your camp food, which sometimes, just know what to expect about the camp food. And also there are fun activities, there are competition, there's dancing, all kind of competition you can think about. Yeah, social activities as well. Key tip here: if you're preparing for NYSC, you have to be mentally, physically, emotionally, socially ready to get through with all the activities that is going to be done there. It can be exhausting, especially if you're an introvert like me, but you have to open up, and you're going to gain a lot. You just have to open up, and I think you should just try to do as much as you can. So after camp, you get posted to PPA, which is your place of primary assignment. This can be companies, this can be NGOs, non-governmental organizations, this can be mostly schools as well. How do they choose which of these places you go to? Some people get influenced and by people they know, and they put them in places, better position. If not, NYSC can actually post you to a place to work. Mostly they actually post in school, but these days I heard they also post companies and non-governmental organizations. So as a PPA, you work under a supervisor, you get to learn some skills, job trainings and all of that. So let's talk about the allowance. Finally, we know they've increased the allowance to around 77,000 naira, but before it was, I think, 33,000 naira. So yeah, and also some states also give stipends to NYSC. It depends on the states you are going to be posted. If this is the only source of income for you, you should know how to budget and be sure that this keeps you for the whole month. Let's talk about CDS, which is the Community Development Service. During your PPA, you'll be organized into different groups. So corps members come together at least once a week, depending on your group, to do some voluntary work, which can be environmental sanitation, public health, health talks, going to different places to volunteer to do some certain things, society at which you are being posted to. It is compulsory and it counts to your final clearance, so be sure to do it. What are the general challenges you might face at NYSC camp or PPA? Homesickness, like when you're there, you don't know anybody, you've never been to a state. For example, you have been posted to a place like Kaduna and you've never been to the north, you've only been to the eastern part of Nigeria. Yeah, so you have to adapt to the environment, the society you are being posted to, their way of life, the kind of food they eat, the weather as well. So all of that counts. Next, the poor living conditions. So most NYSC camps comes with bad hostels, electricity issues, water condition. The water might actually not be good for your skin or for your health as well. So all of this, you should get ready to juggle. Next, your PPA, that's your place of primary assignments. Most of them, they exploit corp members because they see you're a corp member. They want you to do extra time, do work that you're not meant to do. They want to stress you out. So oh my goodness, I feel for me and you, as we are getting there, but it's fine. We'll do it until pass. Okay. And the main one, security issues. Yeah, in some states they're actually they're very scarce. In some states you don't hear of it in most states, while in some states they are very rampant: kidnapping, bomb blasts, killing, robbery, all of those things. So when you're coming, you should be prepared, security conscious in everything you're doing. Security conscious, come with your armor, both spiritually, physically, come with all of them. So how can you survive in NYSC camp, and how can you survive for your whole duration in NYSC? First of all, I would like to tell you, network with people. Try to meet, like, you don't know everybody there, you don't know most people, you don't even know anybody there. So network with people, try to make friends, do most of the fun activities that are being done, the matching, the social networking, the skills, the side lectures, attend all of them, attend the drills as well, make friends, and try to keep up with happenings in your society or wherever you're being posted. Next, I would like you to be open-minded. Sometimes you might experience things that will shape you in unexpected ways, things that can just happen that will make you want to tear up, or you want to be like, I'm tired of this thing I'm doing, I'm tired. So be open-minded, just know that whatever comes through is going to pass by. So that's it. If you're a graduate thinking of your next move, would you consider NYSC as your next move, or would you skip it? I would like to know in the comment section. See you guys. Bye bye.